If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true. I saw the whole thing.
Happy birthday, Schmoopsy Poo.
Oh, googly bear.
When this human child throws me with its telepathic control, made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own.
Oh, Boo, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid!
Oh, there's a kid in here! Sweet monster in disguise!
Michael Wazowski, and on my birthday, I got you.
Celia, try to understand.
Come on, this way.
Spread out and lock it down.
This is the girl we're looking for. Situation is I hate working nights. Yeah, nothing exciting ever happens.
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up. I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Are you done yet, Boo?
Race you to the scare floor.
Almost there, kiddo. They'll never find her door now.
Look, Boo, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo. Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
Smell gum? Oh, no. It's lemon.
It's been the most terrifying day of my life.
My Wazowski.
But I love you, kiddo.
Good night.
Kitty.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. Nothing to worry about, folks. We responded to 2019 progress and reported to the scene where we immediately secured the area in question. We spread out and locked it down. After careful and thorough observation of the perimeter, we quickly rendered the situation status to 990. We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child. We responded to 2019 progress and immediately secured the area in question.
That's going on your permanent record. Nice to see you.
Hi, Roz.
You are now officially enrolled in our Monstropolis Witness Protection Program.